Hey Michael, my name is Galia, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. So by the end of this video you liked what you heard, shoot me a message back and we can chat. If not, it's okay with me. So now let me show 3 things that will set your company above your competition. The first thing I want to go over is the content. So as you see, I'm on your home page, and you definitely need more content with the right keywords and the pictures saving in the correct way as well. So because Google loves content, so if you have more than 1500 words on your homepage, it's going to be much better. So the second thing I want to talk about is citation. So if you come here, we can see Google guaranteed ads. Then we see there's ads like we used to see. Now in 2020, a lot of people have ad blockers, so it's a 50-50. Some people see, some not. And then if we come here, we can see the map pack. So what is a citation? It is essentially your business name, address, and the phone number listed in various directories all throughout the web. It's basically, to put it simply, yellow pages, Facebook, LinkedIn, any of those places online that allow business owners to add their business details and services. Within there would be considered like a directory or business directory listing. And in order to rank high here on the maps, you need to make sure that you are looking at your competition's directory listing and seeing what they're currently being listed, and you want to try to go out and get yourself listed in there as well. But you don't want just stop, you want to just add more, so that way you are completely dominating them and in that space, and that will help you rank well here in the search. Now we already covered content and citation. Last thing I want to cover is the backlinks, and so that has a lot to do with this organic section down here. If you come here, we can see Yelp, we can see like expertise, we can see this home advisors. So this are a lot of big national companies that taking up the top of the page. Way backlinks work, all it means is that there is a website out there that has a link to your website, and that link to your website could potentially bring some traffic from that other website. So backlinks are not always created equal. If you have, for example, an ice cream shop that had a send link to you, you did some work and you did a good job for them and they send you a link, but their whole website's all about ice cream shops and ice cream stuff. It's not going to do it as much good for you as, let's say, another energy company. A lot more effective when you have a relative site linking to you. That's going to be a little bit more powerful because it's more unique and relevant to your industry. So looking at one of these tools here, it's called Ahrefs. It's not 100% accurate, but it's one of these companies that buys data from Google, and so it gives me an idea of that's working well for you and what's working for your competition as well. I can see here you have only 3 domains, and that gives you 23 backlinks, and you getting found for 0 keywords and 0 traffic. Just you have in the picture, I want to show you one of your competitors. See this, so they have 713 referring domains, and that gives them more than 3,000 backlinks, and they're getting found of more than 26,000 keywords, and out of those keywords they have more than 26,000 people on average on their site each month. So to boost these numbers, it's very doable, and we specialize in that. And it's pretty much it for today, and I hope this video has been educational for you. If you would like to know more about how NYC marketers can help grow your business online, please give me a call and we can chat. If not, no worries, enjoy the free tips I've given today. If you could just give me some feedback on this video and let me know how I did, that would be awesome. Thanks again, Michael, and have a great day.